it's Josie, and today I'm back with my May wrap-up. During the month of May, I read 4.5 books, and that was pretty good considering that I did a lot more studying than I did reading this month. During the month of June, I plan on doing a lot more reading because I will no longer be in school and I will have a lot more time to devote toward reading. But the first book that I did read during the month of June was Winter Girls by Laurie Halse Anderson. This book was amazing. I gave it 5 out of 5 stars. This book follows a 17-year-old girl named Leah who is battling anorexia, and the author did a beautiful job of portraying a 17-year-old anorexic very realistically, and she did a beautiful job of focusing on the mental illness part of the disease, which I felt set this book apart from all of the other books I've read on anorexia. The next book that I read along with another booktuber, and that was Catching Fire by Suzanne Collins. I gave this book 4.5 out of 5 stars. I'm not sure what I fully think about it yet. I know that I've definitely converted to Team PETA, and I know that Gale really did annoy me during this book. The suspense element in this book was higher than it was in The Hunger Games for me, and the ending was amazing, and I can't wait to pick up Mockingjay very, very soon. The next book that I did read this month was Small Acts of Amazing Courage by Gloria Whelan. This is a super short middle grade historical fiction book, and I ended up giving this 3 out of 5 stars. I did a full review of this book, which I will link down below. The last book that I read this month was How to Save a Life by Sara Zarr. This book is a dual perspective novel that follows 2 characters named Mandy and Jill. Mandy is a 18 or 19-year-old pregnant teenager, and Jill is a daughter of a mother who is adopting Mandy's baby. That is very confusing, but it makes sense when you read this book. The first half of this book really did annoy me. I did not like the characters. It was just, I could not really get into it. But the last half of the book, the characters really started to develop, and all the characters came full circle, and the characters in the end all had a happy ending, I guess you could say, and I gave this 3.5 out of 5 stars. The last book that I read half of in June, but I'm going to read the rest of it in, I read half of it in May and I'll read the rest in June, is The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. I read 177 pages of this in May, and I will be finishing it very soon. And I'm reading this in preparation for the movie, which is going to be released in like a couple days, so I really need to get on this, but I am really enjoying reading about Hazel and Gus again, and I just love Gus. Oh my gosh, this book is re-solidifying how much I love Gus. So, Anyway, that is all the books that I read during the month of May. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite book of the month was. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!